Alright, y'all, we finna go from this to this.
Bands, that's a check talking. Take all your pants, bitch, ain't no time for talking. Want me do my dance, bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans, far up my rocket. Oh, bands, that's a check talking.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial. It was the most requested for my second video, so keep watching. Alright, y'all, so the first thing I do is brush my eyebrows up. I use the L'Oreal eyeliner in Espresso. It's eyeliner, but I still use it for my eyebrows. I use the Benefit. It doesn't have a number on it, but it's like a Benefit eyebrow. You want to get product on your brush. You want to underline the bottom. Like, don't ever start from the front. Start from like underneath the arch part. And then once you do that, you're gonna brush your eyebrow hairs down. Then you're gonna do the top arch. We can fix that later. You're gonna bring the bottom line like forward a little bit, but don't go hard, just lightly bring it forward. And if it is like a little bit too harsh, brush it with your spoolie to like make it lighter. And then go back to your top. See, I did it like mad extra, but we can fix that with concealer. It's okay. And just like finish your top line, like bring it forward. Lower it some. Alright, so now that it looks all messed up, you're gonna get more product. Show you in a second, hold on. You're gonna start filling it in from the arch. Alright, now that we filled it in like that, you're gonna want to start filling in the beginning part, but don't go harsh because it will look like all messed up and dark in the front. You don't want that. Like light hand, like you really gotta go light hand. You're gonna take your spoolie and you see like this like part right there? You're gonna bring that forward. Alright, now we conceal. I use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. This brush, I just ordered it off from Wish. It's just like a flat brush. I take some off the brush like that. Start at like the middle, the arch first, like where we started filling them in. But don't start so close to your eyebrow or it's gonna make it all like clumpy. And then like bring it up. When you fill them in too thick, you're gonna start bringing up the line. I'm gonna bring the bottom line up.
Wavy Boy Productions.
So you're gonna conceal the top. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush. It's by Elf. And bring down the concealer. I don't even know what brush this is. It's not even flat. Like once you start using it, it gets like unflat. But I like flatten it and then I start to like blend it kind of. And then like for the front, I push it back and then I take my spoolie and I pull it out some. I'll go in with like more concealer to like straighten it up. And then I'll blend it out again. I'll blend the front with this brush so I can like get the line. So this is one eyebrow. I don't know if y'all want to see me do the other one, but I'm gonna do it just to put it in here. Dead art. Oh wait. Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and let me know in the comments what video y'all want me to do next.